Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to enable casting on big screens on YouTube Kids. But first I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open the app. Then tap on the lock icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Type in your passcode. Tap on settings at the right side of the screen. Scroll down. And at the video section, you can enable casting to big screens. You can turn this on by tapping on the button at the right side of the screen. And that's pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one. Bye!